Posible raw pumunta sa Pilipinas si US President Donald Trump para sa ASEAN Leaders Summit. Kanina inilunsad ang isang sagisag ng pagkakaibigan ng Pilipinas at Amerika. Saksi si JP Soriano.
80 taon na ang bilateral relations ng Amerika at Pilipinas ngayong 2026. Kanina, formal nang inilunsad ang official US-Philippines 80th anniversary logo na pinangunahan ng Charge d'Affaires ng US Embassy sa Pilipinas, opisyal ng Department of Foreign Affairs at Ambassador ng Pilipinas sa Amerika na si Jose Manuel Romualdez.
Tonight, it gives me great pleasure to celebrate 80 years of friendship between the United States and the Philippines, as friends, as partners, and as allies. We are bound not just by a shared history, but by values and the true bonds that connect our people. Here is to the next 80 years, to a brighter future for both our countries, and to a continued strong and enduring partnership. Mabuhay. Mabuhay. Mabuhay.
Kasabay ng anibersaryo na taon din sa pagbuo ng bagong World Organization ni US President Donald Trump, ang Board of Peace. Layon daw nitong subaybayan at tiyaking maipatutupad ng maayos ang ceasefire sa Gaza at iba pang bahagi ng mundong may sigalot. Ayon kay Romualdez, inimbitahan ng Amerika ang Pilipinas na maging opisyal na bahagi ng bubuing Board of Peace.
The White House gave me a letter addressed, a personal letter coming from President Trump inviting President Marcos to be a member of the Board of Peace.
And are we going to join this?
We're looking at what kind of commitment is being asked of us, and of course we have to find out how we can be of help. We've always been for finding a way to contribute in any kind of peace effort. So if this is something that the Philippines can be part of, then very likely we'll accept the invitation.
Pero malabo raw na maging permanenteng miyembro ng Board of Peace ni Trump ang Pilipinas dahil may permanent membership daw ito na aabot sa $1 bilyong.
Maybe we can contribute our human resources or something along those lines.
Bukod sa Board of Peace, sabi ni Romualdez, posible rin daw na pumunta si Trump sa Pilipinas sa ASEAN Leaders Summit para sa ASEAN Plus meetings kung saan Pilipinas ang chairman. Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako po si JP Soriano, ang inyong saksi.
Mga kapuso, maging una sa saksi. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang balita.